Sometimes the people who seem the strongest are the ones who cry in silence. Be kind. You never know their battles. Your life won't change until your habits change. Discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect. You will lose friends when you grow. Don't chase those who leave. Your future doesn't need them. Not everyone around you wants you to win. Move in silence and let your success make the noise. Forgive people, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. You will never be fully ready. Start anyway. Clarity comes from action, not waiting. You attract what you believe you deserve. Raise your standards and watch your life transform. Your 20s are for struggling, learning, and building. Don't rush the success you haven't prepared for. If it costs you your mental health, it's too expensive. Walk away. The world only respects results, not excuses. Work in silence. Results speak louder than words. Jealousy often comes from people who had the same opportunities but didn't use them. You can't heal in the same place that broke you. Sometimes distance is the cure. If you're not invited to the table, build your own. Stop begging for acceptance. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take the next right step. Being alone isn't a punishment. It's where real growth, clarity, and strength are born. Energy doesn't lie. Pay attention to who drains you and who makes you feel alive. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even be honest with themselves. Your biggest enemy is the voice that tells you you can't. Train your mind to fight back. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the instruction manual. Your dreams will scare you before they bless you. Don't quit right before the breakthrough. If you keep trying to please everyone, you'll lose yourself in the process. Choose you. You weren't rejected. You were redirected. Trust the detour. Everything you run from eventually becomes the thing you must face. Be brave. Your value doesn't decrease because someone failed to recognize it. You'll be misunderstood when you change. That's the price of evolution. Small steps every day beat big steps taken once in a while. Consistency is the real superpower. Protect your peace like your life depends on it, because it does. Most people don't want to see you win. Win anyway. Stop giving unlimited chances to people who barely give you effort. You are stronger than what broke you, and one day you'll thank yourself for not giving up.